Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys are having an awesome Thursday. As you can see here, my portfolio not having an awesome day. Down about 83.50. Overall, sitting just right above 12,089 for my portfolio. As you can see here, essentially in the red all day long. Dropped quite considerably in early morning trading here, and then throughout the afternoon, kind of maintained those losses and ending about 83.50 down. The markets overall were pretty stagnant, to be quite honest. The Dow is only down about 13 points, 0.07%. Nasdaq down about 9 points, representing about 0.17%, and the S&P 500 is actually up 0.05%. And as I scroll through my stocks here, you can see it's kind of a mixed picture here. A little bit in the red, a little bit in the green. Overall, not a lot of movement. You may be asking, why am I down 83.50 then if there's not a lot of movement? Well, when I initially opened my Robinhood account, I had invested quite heavily into two different stocks here. Portola, a pharmaceutical company that I was basically doing a speculative move surrounding an FDA decision, did not go my way. So you can see here, down $65 today, 265 overall. Combine that with Pfizer here as well, down $9.50, 165 almost since I opened this a couple months ago. And then AbbVie as well. So my pharmaceutical companies got hit pretty hard today, down another $6, $18 down overall. So that's really representing almost all of that 83.50 I'm down today. Otherwise, I didn't do too badly today, and by too badly I mean I didn't lose any money on my other stocks here. So yeah, kind of just wanted to do a shorter video today, updating you guys on how the market's been going, how my portfolio is going. A couple of you guys ask why I keep updating these videos if I'm holding a lot of these stocks for the longer term. Well, I think it's kind of fun to see how my portfolio does. I know a lot of you guys like to follow along as well, and I think it's just kind of fun to see, how others' portfolios are doing. Give me an update on how you guys are doing. Are you kind of seeing the market volatility that I am seeing here over the last month? Down a lot, 140, then up a bit, down quite a bit, up a bit, down a bit, up a bit. It's kind of jumping all over the place. And it's just kind of fun to pop in and kind of see those on a daily basis, kind of see how my portfolio is doing overall. Having said that, I'm going to do another video here shortly. I kind of mentioned this in my past video about getting out of some of my riskier investments. As I go down to the bottom here, my real estate income trust, I'm going to try to get out of those. Very high dividend yields, but a lot of these operate on borrowed money, and as the interest rates increase, that money's going to get harder to obtain. It's going to be more expensive to obtain that money. Essentially, it's free money right now. And as that cost goes up, I think the returns will go up, the dividend yields will go down, investors will jump out, and causing the price to go down. So not only will there be less dividend payments, there will also be less capital appreciation. I'll actually lose money on the share price. So I'm going to jump out of those and some of my closed-ended funds as well. They operate essentially the same way, borrowing money to make money, and as that cost of borrowing goes up, their returns are going to go down as well. So I'm going to kind of jump out of those. Overall, the money that I'm funding with my Robinhood account, I'm going to kind of keep that on the sidelines. So I'm going to continue putting in 500 to 1,000 a week, but I'm going to keep it on the sidelines at least until the election cycle is over. I may play around with a little bit of the money just to kind of have a little bit of fun with it, but the bulk of that I think I'm going to keep on the sidelines until the interest rate hike goes through, as well as the election cycle is done here. I think there's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. For a lot of investors, volatility means profits, but being a new investor, I don't really want to jump in and kind of try to learn in the frying pan, if you will. I'd rather kind of see how this goes, and then maybe next year around this time, I'll kind of jump in and do some more of the risky fall trading. But for right now, I think I'm going to keep a lot of my money on the sidelines. I'm going to try to get out of some of my positions. Like I said, I'm just going to kind of scroll through my securities again for you guys. Hold that money on the sidelines, and once it gets a little bit later, about a month from now, I'll start jumping in hardcore again and buying some of the high dividend yielding securities that I kind of want to buy. So yeah, just kind of wanted to do a quick video updating you guys on my portfolio, how it's been doing, how I did today. And yeah, if you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe. Really helps the channel out a lot. Really appreciate that. Leave a thumbs up, leave me a like, share my videos. Definitely appreciate that. If you have any comments for me. Please let me know. I'm a new investor, as you guys know. I'm always looking for new strategies or things to read up on, things that I might not be seeing clearly, or I might not be seeing the way most investors see those. So yeah, just kind of give me a heads up what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, what I should be focusing on, especially in the turbulent times coming up here. We can just kind of get a discussion going. So again, like my video, subscribe, let me know how I'm doing, and we'll see you guys next video.